In the vast tapestry of existence, certain individuals find themselves touched by an extraordinary destiny. These are the chosen ones who stand at the crossroads between the mundane reality and the transcendental essence of the cosmos. For those who sense a deeper calling, the universe leaves a trail of signs, markers on a spiritual journey towards a greater purpose. A key sign of being chosen is waking up each day feeling different from those around you. Chosen individuals act, feel, and behave in distinct ways from the rest of the world's population. They question societal norms and expectations because they find that their own inner truth does not align with the beliefs of the universe. It is as if they see through the facade of societal acceptability and are drawn to a deeper understanding of their own purpose. They often prioritize the needs of others over their own and find that their generosity overshadows their own self-care. Trusting and forgiving by nature, they absorb the sting of betrayal and choose inner peace over seeking retribution. Their journey is filled with personal trials, but they learn to shield their tranquility and use their insights to navigate a society that is often focused on convenience. Their choices and actions stand out from the mainstream and are scrutinized by a world unaccustomed to such unwavering resolve. Another sign of being chosen is a sense of destiny and greatness from a young age. Chosen individuals often start their journey with a feeling of victory on their side, with an unshakable belief that their life will unfold in remarkable ways, even in the face of challenges and setbacks. This sense of purpose acts as a guiding light through the ups and downs of life. As they grow and mature, they may encounter obstacles and moments of weakness that test their resolve. These moments are not signs of defeat but rather part of their spiritual growth process. Chosen individuals understand that their purpose on earth is to make a profound impact on humanity, and this often comes with a price, enduring pain and suffering, much like the archetype of Christ. Chosen individuals often experience an interplay between the strength of their spirit and the limitations of their physical body. They may find that their bodies struggle to accept the trials and tribulations that come their way. It is as if their bodies resist pain and suffering, which is a testament to their indomitable spirit within. Their journey is not just about physical existence, it is also an exploration of their spiritual depth. They often walk a path filled with alienation and a sense of otherness, coming into moments of deep solitude and annoyance. Mocked, misunderstood, and sometimes shamed, they bear the brunt of others' unawareness. Their quest to question and defy societal conventions makes them pioneers. They disrupt the comfort of those around them, holding fast to their own rhythm, even if it goes against the familiar. Chosen individuals have a profound relationship with their emotions and consciousness. They possess a heightened sensitivity that allows them to sense the flow of life energies. This heightened awareness can be a double-edged sword, making them susceptible to emotional triggers but also propelling them into moments of intense introspection and transformation. These individuals frequently shift frequencies, undergoing a journey from lower to higher vibrational states. These moments urge them to discard negative patterns, pursue spiritual growth, and rekindle lost connections. Chosen individuals possess an innate curiosity and thirst for profound knowledge. Their interest in exploring deep philosophical questions sets them apart as beacons of wisdom. People are drawn to them, especially those who carry the weight of brokenness and uncertainty. Chosen ones often find themselves in the role of a guiding light, offering solace and hope to those who believe they can mend their fractured hearts and alleviate their suffering. However, their own paths are often marked by obstacles, trials, and moments of isolation as their unique perspectives challenge conventional beliefs and practices. Despite this, they remain steadfast in their pursuit of truth and spreading kindness and awareness. Chosen individuals often experience a profound sense of detachment from the world around them. Embracing solitude, they become keen observers of life's theater. This detachment is not born out of arrogance, but rather a poignant awareness that fulfillment is often elusive in the societal norms. They continuously question accepted norms and traditions, remaining restless on the cusp of the next intellectual venture. This detachment can sometimes lead to moments of frustration and disillusionment, as chosen individuals may struggle to align with societal norms that do not resonate with their inner truth. These feelings of discontent are not a reflection that there is something wrong with them, but a reminder of their unique perspective and deeper understanding of the complexities of the world. Selected for their boundless kindness, chosen individuals are always ready to lend support and share their time and resources with those less fortunate. Compassion saturates their being as they place others' needs ahead of their own. Guided by a deep sense of duty and the belief that a greater force shapes their destiny, they scatter their benevolence like seeds in the wind. Their capacity for selflessness may sometimes lead to a lack of self-care and neglect of their own needs.